Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Nestor again. Now we're on to math lesson 12.3 and it's about combining two-dimensional shapes. Our essential question for today is how can you put two-dimensional shapes together to make new two-dimensional shapes? So we're going to learn how to do that.
Karen has some patterned blocks. She put 6 green blocks together. What new shape could Karen make? What's the shape of the pattern block she's using? Each green pattern block is a triangle. You can use the 6 triangles to make a new shape. Start with the first green triangle. Add a second triangle. Then a third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. What shape did Karen make with the 6 green triangles? Click to see if you're right. A hexagon. When the 6 triangles are put together, they have the same shape as a single hexagon. So Karen could make a hexagon. How many trapezoids do you need to make a hexagon? Let's combine trapezoids to find out. Start with one trapezoid, add another trapezoid. This is the shape you're looking for. So how many trapezoids do you need to make a hexagon?
2, 3, or 4. 1, 2. Good job.
Correct. You need 2 trapezoids to make a hexagon. What do you notice about the sides and vertices of these shapes? A single trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. When you put 2 trapezoids together, you make a hexagon which has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Now let's practice with the personal math.
Okay, how many triangles make a trapezoid? Okay, are there 3, 2, or 6? Okay, and the way you figure that out is if you would put a triangle here and there would be another one up here, there would be a third one here. So if you picked 3,
Excellent!
You are correct. There are 3 triangles that make up a trapezoid. All right, same question. Let's skip that one. How many triangles make a hexagon? All right, and this question is on your end of the year math test. We've done it, it was a beginning and a mid, and some of us were having trouble with it. If I have a triangle here and here, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show you how you would do that. You would have, this is what it would look like. So you would have 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 6.
Fantastic!
Okay, you're going to use me 2 times to make this shape. So something gets used twice to make that diamond-looking rectangle. Would it be 2 triangles, 2 trapezoids, or 2 square diamonds? And if you, again, would use 2 diamonds, it would be
Fantastic!
the diamonds. All right, and the last one is Avery sees how shapes can be put together to make a new shape. So we have two shapes that have made a new shape. What shape would you use to make this shape? Would it be a hexagon, a triangle, or a square? It would be two triangles.
Fantastic!
Good job. All right, now we're going to go back to our workbooks and we're going to complete those pages together. All right, we are going to do page 684 together, 685 together, and 687 together. Okay, so this one right here says how many trapezoids do you need to make a hexagon? And it does it for us. It shows us that you have one here and one below it. Those two on top of each other combine and make a hexagon. So our answer for this one, all you have to do is trace it, is 2. Okay, 2 trapezoids make a hexagon. Okay, this is a little harder without actual blocks. That's why I'm trying to work you through it to help you to visually see it. Okay, number 1, this one is hard to see unless you actually, once I draw it, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, I totally see that. But when you're just thinking about it, 1 is hard to see. So we're going to use pattern blocks. We're going to draw to show the blocks and write how many blocks you used. How many diamonds make a hexagon? Okay, so I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to start with a sideways diamond, kind of. Okay, and then I'm going to use another diamond that's kind of sideways. So there's 1, 2, and a third one that's going to connect. I actually just made a cube, but if you look at it, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is a 6. It doesn't really look like one, but it is a 6-sided hexagon. If you color it in and only look at the outside. So I'm going to color it in so that it doesn't confuse you now that we've done that part. So you don't see the inside shapes. Okay, so there's my kind of my hexagon. You can kind of see it. All right, so it kind of does look like this, and I ended up, do you remember how many diamonds I used? I actually used 1 up here, 1 here, and 1 here. So we used 3 diamonds to make a hexagon. And I will show you how I did that with my white so that you can see it again, because it's so complicated. It was hard for Mrs. Nestor to see it, so I know it would be hard for you to see it. And again, the way that I did it is, I'm going to use white now so that you can see it. I had 1 here, 1 here, it's curved, and 1 here. Why is that curved? There we go. So we had a diamond here, a diamond here, and a diamond here, but you can see that it is ultimately a hexagon. So 3 diamonds make up a hexagon. All right, now how many triangles make up a trapezoid? And the way I'm going to do that one is, it is a triangle here, a triangle upside down here, and a triangle here. 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay. All right. Remember, I will do this with you and then you guys can come back and do it later. All right, we're going to move on to the next page. So I'm going to get rid of my pen and all my stuff's going to go away. All right, on page 685, we're just going to do 3 and 4. Okay, we're going to draw to show the blocks and write how many blocks you've used. How many triangles make a hexagon? Okay, so I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to draw my triangles so you guys can physically see them since we don't have blocks with us. We use them in the classroom, but we don't have them with us today. All right, so I'm going to draw a triangle here and here and here. So how many triangles do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, and that's half of the hexagon. And then I'm going to draw one here, and one here. There's my hexagon, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles make up a hexagon. Okay? Number 4, how many triangles make up a diamond? That one's a little simpler to see. If I have a triangle here and a triangle here, there's my diamond, and how many made it? 2. My number 2 looks funny, but that's okay. So we have 6 triangles make a hexagon, 2 triangles make a diamond, and we've got one more page we're going to do. All right, and we are now on page 687, and this is the last one for lesson 12.3. We are looking at how many triangles make a trapezoid and how many triangles make a diamond, which we just completed. So remember, let me get my pencil back out. My triangle, I'm going to make a triangle here, one on top and one on the bottom, and there is my trapezoid, and I have 1, 2, 3 triangles. And again, how many triangles make up a diamond? 1, 2. Okay. So I have that for you. You can go back and complete the blank ones on Seesaw. Again, you are allowed to use the words that, the videos that I have shown you to help you complete those. All right. And we have, for social studies later, we're going to be doing needs and wants.